Hi, this is Roy Oppenheim. I just wanted to briefly talk about the Florida Supreme Court Task Force on Foreclosures. They issued their final report today, and it was really very interesting. While it's a 50-page report, two things that I really want to focus on are A, the fact that they are going to call for mandatory statewide mediation for all foreclosures where the foreclosure involves a person's homestead, meaning the home that they live in. And two, they're going to require that banks, when they file their foreclosures from now on, are required to verify their complaint, meaning that they have to sign and swear that the facts in the complaint are true. Now, going back to the mediations, there are a number of counties, including Dade County and Palm Beach County, not Broward County, which is between Dade and Palm Beach County, where we've seen mediations in the past several months, as well as other parts of the state of Florida. In those counties where you do have mediation, over 70%, as much as 75% of the foreclosures that go into mediation get settled, and the people end up not losing their homes. So mediation is clearly a very successful way of addressing foreclosure problems. One of the nice things about the mediation is that it forces the banks to bring someone that actually has the ability to make a decision to the table, so you can talk to them about whether or not you're going to do a short sale, a modification, whether you're going to do a deed in lieu, or some other alternative. Maybe you're going to give the property to the bank and rent it back. Whatever you're going to do, it allows you to stay in the property. So we're finding that mediation is a very, very important process, and now you're not going to get goofy outcomes with one county versus another because one county has mediation, the other county does not. And so we're going to see some consistency in the way the Florida Supreme Court is going to require foreclosures to be handled. Now, the Florida Supreme Court hasn't yet approved of these rules, but because this commission has been working so diligently and so hard, I'm confident that the Florida Supreme Court is going to probably certainly accept the mediation rules. Now, what's also interesting, and this is the second most important thing, is that the panel of this commission decided that it's very important that banks no longer say that they've lost the note, that they've lost the promissory note, when in fact they have no idea if they've lost it. They have no idea where the note is, and they're filing the complaint before they have the note in their possession. And then later on, of course, or not of course, but a lot of times they do end up finding the note. And that the commission has found that that is a form of an unfair practice. It confuses the homeowner, it confuses the borrower, and more importantly, it's unfair to the court and to attorneys like me, where they're saying one thing, but it's really what we call a legal fiction. A legal fiction is a nice way of saying a lie. And so they're saying that this practice can no longer be condoned, and that by signing a verified complaint, if they come and find the note later on, there's probably going to be sanctions for having made a misrepresentation, a misstatement under oath to the court. So those are two major issues. The third thing, and it's kind of a subtext throughout the document, is that they're saying that the judges have allowed a lot of inappropriate conduct to occur in their courtroom. And they're saying it's because the judges are probably overworked, but they're also saying that the judges, particularly where people are not represented by counsel, the judges need to do their work. And they're also saying that lawyers like me have to make sure that we remain steadfast in defending the rights of Florida homeowners. So we're thrilled today with the report, and we encourage the Florida Supreme Court to endorse this report and get these rules enacted as soon as possible. Roy Oppenheim from the trenches. Thank you.